Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss perimeter, the meaning of perimeter. In the previous video, we have learned what are closed figures and open figures. Perimeter, the length of the boundary is called the perimeter. The length of the boundary of a closed figure. For example, students, you can see here, this is a closed figure because its starting and ending point are meeting because it is closed from all sides. So this is called a closed figure. This is a rectangle. It is again a closed figure. So we find out the perimeter of the closed figure. So in worksheet 2, we have the question first as find the perimeter of the following figures by measuring the sides. Here students, what do you have to do? You will take a scale and you are going to measure the sides of your figure. So put the 0 mark at one corner and measure the side. Here the side is 3 centimeter. And in this way you can find the lengths of the other two sides. So it is also 3 and this one is also 3. So to find out the perimeter, now sum up all these 3. So do this question in books only. 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is equal to 9. So 9 centimeter because we are measuring this in centimeter. So 9 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. In the similar way, in this figure also, when you will measure it by using the scale, you will find it out in your books that this side is a bit more than 4. So take it in approximation, take it as 4 only, right? So this side is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Students, while measuring, if you find that a side is a bit more than 4 or more than 3, then take its value as 4 only and 3 only. Let us take them round off type. Okay. So now add all of them. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. This is equal to 14. So the answer here is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. The next figure is like this. Here when you will measure the figure, this side is equals to 1 centimeter, this is equals to 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 3, this is 2 and this is 3 again. And when you will add all these, this is equal to 14 centimeter. So do this in books only, write 14 centimeter in your books. The D part is like this. Here when you will measure this side by using the scale, it is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 12. So write 12 here, it is equals to 12 centimeter. Now coming on to question number 2 of this worksheet, it is find the perimeter of the following figures. Here students, we have to find out the perimeter, but in this question there is no need to find out the lengths of the figures. Here it is already given. In the first part A, there is a rectangle and the sides are 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So what do we have to do? We will add all these 4 sides and 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 14 centimeter. So write 14 centimeter here. What I did? I just added 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 and this is equals to 14 centimeter. In the second figure, a pentagon is there. Why this is called pentagon? Because it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now add all these measurements. 4 centimeter, all these lengths, 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3, and this is equals to 15 centimeter. So write 15 centimeter here. In this C part, this L shape is given and the measurements are given. Add all the measurements, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3, and this is equal to, add it, 10, 11, 12, 16. So this is equal to 16 centimeters. So write 16 centimeter here. And now students, there is a D part also. Here we have this kind of figure and the measurements are given there. Students, as perimeter is the length or measurement of the boundary only. Here this is only the boundary. This doesn't comes under the boundary. The boundary is like this. This is only the boundary. So we are not going to add this, right? You will just add 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. You have to add these things only. So write them, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, and the answer is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So your answer is equals to 14 centimeter. So students, in this way you can complete this worksheet 2 in your books only. Thank you.